In this lesson, you'll learn how to edit the footer text in the sparkling theme. Now, for any theme, you might have to do a little bit of research yourself for how to remove the footer copyright information. This is this little theme by ColorLib powered by WordPress text down here that's automatically added when you install this theme. If you have a different theme, it will probably have the other theme's information down here. They like to include that because they are the creators. Sometimes in their custom settings, there might be an option for changing this. And here in the sparkling options, if you go to the sparkling options, footer, you do have this copyright text and footer spot. But if I do this, say I say copyright 2017 Ebner Designs, what happens is it just shows up next to this text right here. What if I want to completely get rid of this text promoting ColorLib? Well, like I said, you'll have to do a little bit of research because it's different for every theme, but I just searched for how to remove footer copyright info for sparkling theme in Google, and this popped up. Most modern themes will have their own documentation or their own forum where you could ask questions, and I'm sure that for every theme out there that's been around for a while, someone has asked this, and they actually got back with this CSS that we can plug in to take out that information. So let's just copy this .copyright information. And if we go back to our other settings and we plug this in, remember we turned off the header display. It's the same thing for the copyright information. Now it takes away that text. But you might be saying, well, what about the text that we added? Well, we're going to have to go about that in a different way. So if we go back and we go to our widgets in this menu, we can go to our footer widgets, and this is where we can add our text. So if I say add widget, text, you could add any of these widgets, and I suggest adding some of these to your footer if you want, such as search, blog posts, recent posts. But for just some basic copyright text, we can just add a text block and then say copyright 2017, whatever year it is, and your information. Now, at the bottom, we have our copyright information like we wanted. So let's save and publish this. Another way to get to this is through your Appearance Widgets tab, and then you have your footer widget. And now we see this text that we added. And you can also add links and images and everything else like we did before with the sidebar widgets, but do it with your footer. If you want multiple columns of widgets, you can do that. So just for kicks and giggles, let's just add categories to footer widget 2. Now let's just go to our home page. And now we have our copyright information and our categories. Don't worry, this latest article is a little bit, we'll be learning how to do that in the section on blogging later on. So that is a quick and easy way to add copyright information or to change the footer for this theme. Like I said, if you are using another theme, I don't want to be a broken record, but you might have to do a little bit of research yourself. Just search for remove footer and then the name of your theme. And there should be some documentation on that pops up on Google. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in another lesson.